Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can uncap Apex Legends on EA and Steam. So first of all, go to EA, my game is on EA, you need to go to properties and then here you need to write plus FPS underscore max 0, right? If you're on Steam, you need to, let's say here it's Apex Legends, go to properties and then here you just need to write plus FPS underscore max unlimited, right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to display settings. On this display settings, scroll down until you see advanced display. Make sure to select the right display that you use and then make sure to select the highest amount of hertz here. Then you need to go and right click on your desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. Then wait for a couple of seconds. Here you need to go to manage 3D settings. And here make sure that max frame rate is off and also VSync is off as well here. Go to change resolution and then make sure right monitor is selected and highest amount of hertz selected as well. And in game itself, go to video section also and make sure VSync is disabled. And yeah, that's basically it.